Recently, I saw here on YouTube a kind of bottle made of watermelon. It seemed to me funny, and I decided to do something similar, but that it would be more durable, such as coconut. The coconut is solid and does not rot like a watermelon. So, I decided to make a bottle out of coconut. For this I need a coconut and the plastic bottle, like this, for example. Do you guys really like coconut milk? I'm just not a fan of it, and something needs to be done with it. Well, let's start. Decided to use a drill to make everything as quickly as possible, but I think that it is possible to do everything with a thin knife. I think that's enough. Getting rid of coconut milk. A strange name for a clear liquid from a nut, right? Now let's cut off the neck of the bottle, and then, as usual, hot glue. A lot of hot glue. And that's all. A bottle of coconut is ready. Now need to check it with the liquid. Take this one. Oh, and what to do with this coconut milk? Perhaps I will return it. I think it's worth a try. You know, Coca-Cola can't be spoiled even with this nut liquid. Works like a real bottle. Well, I think that looks cool and unique. I think I'll give it to a friend of mine. How do you like this video, guys? Be sure to tell me in the comments. Looks like that's it. Do not forget to hit that subscribe and thumbs up buttons, and stay tuned. Won't give it to anyone. I'd rather throw it off the 5th floor. Haha.